Zach, how are you?
Hey, Kevin, this is Beth, our energy auditor.
That's nice to meet you. So blower door test, comparing it to the original blower door test, did we do one?
So we didn't do one because we noticed there were a lot of holes in this house. There were some major ones in the foundation and the sidewalls, and we figured a blower door wouldn't be able to keep up with the amount of pressure differential and leaks.
So leaky we couldn't even measure it.
Exactly.
Do we have a sense of how bad it was, though?
Well, our architect, who's pretty experienced with houses of this area, feels like it's probably 10 ACH 50 or worse.
All right, so you got to explain that to us. ACH is?
Air changes per hour at 50 pascals. So this fan here creates a pressure differential of 50 pascals, which is roughly equivalent to a wind on the outside of the house pushing on all sides.
And so what does a 10 mean? So what does a 10 air changes per hour mean?
Basically means the total volume, the air that's inside this house, when this fan is running, changes 10 times every single hour. Wow, and that's air you're heating and conditioning, dehumidifying, is getting taken out.
Every 6 minutes, you have to recondition all of the air in this house.
Under testing conditions,
right,
yes.
Exactly. So Beth, you run the blower door test for us at this stage. What did we get to? How did we do?
2.9 ACH.
Wow.
Slight improvement.
So from 10 or more to less than 3 on the air changes per hour. And what do you think of that number?
I think it's a great number.
Okay.
I don't see it a lot in retrofits, and it's even lower than code for new construction.
Oh, wow. Congrats. That's very well done. I like to hear it.
Well, remember we treated this house sort of like new construction, where we have that WRB on the outside and we taped all the windows, and so we did as much as we could, but obviously it's still not a brand new house.
Right. And at some point we can get too tight, which we have to then compensate for?
Yes, if you're too tight. If you are below that 3 is the cutoff, you have to install mechanical ventilation.
Which you did.
We did. We put that HRV in the basement, which is sort of equivalent to opening a window up so you're not trapping all the stale air that we're breathing out.
So energy efficient, save us a ton of money, but also healthy with fresh air coming in. Well done, guys. I love to hear it. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.